Hello everyone and welcome to our Facebook page. Today we will see how to make different crafts by using paper and clay. So at first we are making a lollipop with the paper. You can see how we have cut it and given folds to the paper to make the shape, and next we will merge it all together. You can see this is ready now. Now we will use paper to make the stand. Next we will make some flowers with the clay. You can see how we have rolled the clay and we have made the flower. Next we will use a paper to make the stem of the flower, and we will also add the leaves. Now we will make the bouquet, and you can see how beautiful the bouquet is looking now. Now again we are using some paper and we are giving the circular shape to it, and we'll paste the bottom part with each other, and you can see now this is looking like a triangular. Now here we are using a grain paper to cover it, and we'll make the face, and you can see how cute it is looking now. Now again we'll make the lollipop, but this is more decorative. So we are using a green color paper to make the lollipop. We are making the piece of the lollipop. We'll make some more of it by giving some different folds. You can see we have completed all the folds. Now we'll merge it all together to make the lollipop, and now this is ready. Now we are using a graphic paper to make a butterfly. Yes, the same butterfly that is kept on the table, we'll make the same one with the paper. You can see how many folds we have given to it to make the texture, and this is my favorite butterfly. And next we will add the curls to it, and your butterfly is ready. Now again we are using a pink color paper to make a heart with the wings. Yes, we are making a heart with the wings. You can see we are using a green color paper to make the heart, and we are giving some folds to it. The pink paper has been used to make the heart. You can see we have almost made the heart with the wings, and this is ready now. Now again we are using a different graphic paper to make a craft. We have folded it, and we are just folding a corner part of the paper. After folding it, you can see this is looking like a swan, and this is almost ready. You can see the swan is looking much more beautiful, and we have given the folds to it, and this is ready now. Now again we are using another graphic paper to make another craft. Yes, we are folding it, and after folding we will use our fingers to add a shape. You can see we are giving the folds at the bottom of the paper, and after folding it we will merge both the sides with each other, and we will do it in both the sides. Next we will fold the upper part of the paper, and after folding it we will open it, and this is a box now. Next again we are using a beautiful paper which is blue and white in color, and after folding it we will fold the corners of the paper, and after folding the corners we will move other corners and make a box shape to it. Next we have made a bed out of it. Thank you very much for watching the video.